believe to be our countrymen Indians.
Earlier, India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired a meeting to review the situation in Kuwait. The Prime Minister condoled the families of the deceased. He wished a speedy recovery to the injured. He announced an ex gratia of 200,000 rupees each, that is $1,400 each, for the families of the deceased. K. Vasuki, the Secretary of Non-Resident Keralites Affairs, in a statement said that 15 deaths have been officially identified and confirmed as being that of people from Kerala, adding that the state is in touch with India's ministry for further updates.
Official sources have confirmed the death of 15 Malayalis in this unfortunate accident. And unofficially, we are having information that 24 Malayalis are dead. We are still awaiting the confirmation of the names of these Malayalis. And the primary focus of the state government currently is to bring the mortal remains of these Malayalis back to their homes in Kerala. So we are working with the Government of India and the Ministry of External Affairs as well as the Indian Embassy in Kuwait, who are all really cooperating with us and who are really working hard in the site of the event. Total of 12 lakhs will be given as immediate compensation to the family of the victims.
And my colleague Ajay Joy joins us from Thiruvananthapuram. Ajay, there we heard the official speak about how 15 people have been confirmed to be from the state of Kerala so far. But that said, what can you tell us about a state government meeting on the incident?
Yes, in the morning, Kerala Cabinet had a special meeting today, and it was decided to give that other industrialists from Kerala, they have offered their component also to this. So all these will be distributed, will be given to deceased relatives of the deceased through NORCA, which is the supreme agency in Kerala looking after non-residents Keralites. So as K. Vasuki, Secretary NORCA, had confirmed, there are 15 people from Kerala already identified among the deceased. And unofficially, the number says 24. It may go up also because, as it was pointed out earlier, this company is mainly owned by a Keralite, and most of the people, the workers, are from Kerala. And this is the official accommodation complex for the group. Although the ownership of the building stays with the sponsor of the group, a Kuwaiti citizen, but otherwise everything is managed by the company. So this this really points out to the gravity of the situation as far as the Keralites are concerned. Most of them are from Kerala. And now 15 families have already been informed, but there are more families still waiting in the uncertain quarters regarding what happened to their relatives. So that's how the tragic situation is developing right now in Kerala.
Ajay, a large number of Indian nationals hailing from the state of Kerala work in West Asia, generally speaking. Now, as you mentioned, the company in question itself is owned by a Malayali. Now, does this incident raise concerns about the well-being of Indian workers at large in the Gulf?
Yes, Ramesh, this is a matter that will be discussed quite a lot in the immediate future. But as you know, the safety norms are quite on the higher side, especially in the West Asian region. So as Kuwaiti authorities had mentioned that there has been a severe lapse in the safety norms of the building, which were violated a little bit. And because of that, the fire and rescue teams couldn't resolve the issue quickly. And if you remember, the incident happened at 4 a.m. Local time yesterday. And evacuation process, everything, and rescue, everything ended only by 3 p.m. in the afternoon. So that's how the situation was really bad, considering that there were some issues in the safety norms that were mentioned, that were in this mentioned apartment. Anyhow, from the state of Kerala, a delegation led by State Health Minister Veena George is visiting. They're leaving for Kuwait this noon itself. She will be accompanied by another official as well, who will coordinate the efforts in Kuwait regarding the affairs of Keralites, in touch with the External Affairs Ministry officials, so that the process will be smooth enough to bring back the mortal remains, as well as to take care of the injured.
Ajay, thank you. Ajay Joy reporting there from Thiruvananthapuram. A special meeting of the Kerala Cabinet held on Thursday has decided that the state government will extend